Man Compton. And first and foremost, I just want to say, rest in peace to Ricky Harrison, and you know what I'm saying, and much respect to his family. But, you know, I gotta keep it real. Media takeout, y'all full of shit. Snoop ain't get hit in his face, and none of that shit. The nigga never touched Snoop. I was there. Y'all wanna know the story? I'll tell y'all the story. A nigga standing next to me, cause I'm standing right in the same row where Snoop was. You know what I'm saying? And he asked me about the service or whatever. Tell me, you know what I'm saying? And I tell him basically, hey, it's almost into the service. They finna let the pallbearers do their thing, and then they usually start sending people up from the back of the church to the front. Old boy Low Key was like grilling Snoop the whole time. Now Snoop sitting in the second row. In the second row is from one end to the other is Dada, Dez, Rich, Snoop, Shantae, Mike Singleton, some lady that was with Mike Singleton, and another light-skinned lady, and Mark Curry was sitting on the edge of the row. And the front row in front of Snoop was the comedian Chucky, I think, Joe Torre, Kai Torre, Scruncho, some lady with curly hair missing a belt loop, and somebody else sitting next to her. Well, anyway, old boy walked up to the front row. He leaned over Kai Torre and Joe Torre, you know what I'm saying? And he basically get at Snoop like, what the fuck is you doing up in here, you bitch ass nigga? Guys jump up, like, you know what I'm saying? Guys jump up, and he get at the nigga like, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, you trying to do this shit in the church type shit, you know what I'm saying? That's fucked up. And the little nigga say, nigga, you can basically get it too type shit, right? Well, at this time, I'm creeping around the side, cuz when old boy, he squared with that, then he jumped back and he didn't want to fight. I'm standing there looking like, man, I ain't finna fuck you up in the church, but somebody else came and swung. Hit the nigga in the back of his head. The nigga turned around and swing on me. I locked up with my nigga. The nigga hit me on the top of the head right here, you know what I'm saying? You can't really see the knot, it done went down a little bit, but, you know, boy swing on me. Boom, I turn around and hit the nigga back, you know what I'm saying? He fall in the dash two-piecing, then the bodyguards come. Motherfuckers was talking about, you know what I'm saying, there was a beef with the bodyguards, and Snoop got punched in the face and all that shit. That wasn't no real shit. Y'all wanna know the truth? That's the truth, you know what I'm saying? The nigga never got to touch Snoop. The nigga wasn't mentally capable of that shit. I smell alcohol on his breath, you know what I'm saying? And the nigga eyes glazed over like he was probably off of Molly or something, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, he got what was coming to him, you know what I'm saying? Real shit, but nobody touched Snoop, you know what I'm saying? Snoop ain't act like no bitch. He wasn't scared of none of that shit. Guys got hurt, jumped up first, and I had Guys back. You know what I'm saying? Check the footage if you can find some. You know what I'm saying? But that's the real shit. Snoop never got touched. Took off. You know what I'm saying? The nigga, you know what I'm saying? I took off on the nigga too. Fuck it. Keep it 100. Snoop got some homies since Big Bro days. You know what I'm saying? Keep it 100. But, you know what I'm saying? That is what it is. Right there. You know what I'm saying? And Sherry Shepherd, old dramatic ass, she need to sit her fat skinny ass down somewhere with all the extras. Cause when the shit first jumped off, her ass was dropping her phone 4 or 5 times trying to run up out that motherfucker before she could even see what happened. So, yeah, I said it. My name Dogman Compton, and it is what it is.